So I noticed the hair dryer on the floor.
I like to do my hairs, you know?
Yep. Okay.
You can tell. You can tell
I
because
can definitely tell.
yeah,
Better
it's
hair than I have.
well, you know, it's I've been growing this for a long time. I've been trying to grow a mullet, but I think I'm just
Ooh, I think a mullet. You can totally pull off a mullet.
I think I could grow a skullet. I don't know if I can grow a mullet. I think that's the problem is
Back to the 90s.
the lack of hair on the forehead. That creates a problem. So, look what we got here. Whoa, there goes my camera. Look what we got here. We got that stuff. We got that stuff. So,
Big mess.
yeah, use that. And we're going to use that. We're going to use that. I don't know about that. We're going to use that. We're going to go through this amplifier. It happens to be called a Bravado. It's going through a 212 cabinet. I'll show you that in a second. That's Victor's guitar.
Yep.
It's I think he got that used on Craigslist for like 20 bucks. Real cheap guitars.
Yep. Absolutely.
Yeah, those like you can buy them dime a dozen, like for 10 bucks on Craigslist all the time.
Absolutely.
Plays excellent though. You got a good deal on Craigslist. Okay, and then walk with me.
All right, I am walking.
So now we're going to look at the cat for a second and wonder what she's doing here.
Yep. Tiger stripes.
What are you doing? Huh? Are you still mad? Anyways, okay, so we're going to go through my barn to the isolation room. And even though it's dark, I hope we can see the cabinet. Aha! And that is the cabinet. I got some cheap MXL, inexpensive MXL, I should say. Ribbons on it. 57 backed way off. And yeah, that's the 212 cabinet.
For the speakers.
Huh?
What are the speakers?
I think there's a creambacks in those. From Celestion. Yeah, let's lock that guy. So guess what? Today I have a fun guest, a good friend of mine, Victor Lee.
Hi.
You probably don't know Victor Lee, but you should. I'll link his channel up like right here. It's like right there. Go to that place. Check out his videos. He's got a bunch of great videos and some great music you got on there.
Thank you.
And he's got a song that when did you write that song? Is it pretty recent?
I mean, I wrote it a while back, but I released it a couple months ago.
I was gonna say, it's a pretty new release, right?
Yeah.
So it's a newly released song. It's a great song. And I invited Victor to come down and play through all our pedals and see if he could try to recreate some of the tones he got on that record, because it's amazing. And you should go to iTunes now and buy it. Or wherever you have it sold. I assume it's on iTunes.
Yeah, iTunes, CD Baby, everywhere.
There you go. Or Craigslist.
Or Craigslist.
Right?
Yep.
And then, anyway, so he's going to run through a bunch of pedals, play some music, probably strum some chords on the guitar, and we're going to have fun with it. So let's go to it right now.
All right. How are your goats?
My goats are not very good. They eat
bummer.
and poop a lot.
Oh,
That's all they
horrible.
do. I know.
That is terrible.
Can I keep walking?
Yes, we do walk. And we are here.
He's gonna flip like a backing track or
You
something like that.
have a lot of cars
I have way too many cars. I need
Yes,
to
you do.
get. I need to get rid of
and
them.
an RV.
It needs to be sold as well. It needs to go. I haven't used it for months and months and months.
Oh jeez. Same thing here. Make sure you don't trip.
Yep. Okay.
All right.
And